I'm really looking forward to experimenting and practicing with the Morrocco Method. I have been a vegan for many, many years, and so these products hold a very special appeal. And how can you go wrong with products that don't hurt the environment and do not hurt the animals? Beautifying, lengthening, and thickening one's hair without causing any harm. That is a winning combination. Besides, Anthony Morrocco, a true bona fide shamanic hair specialist, that is just marvelous. My thinning hair is on the top and on the back here, and my main aim is to both thicken and lengthen, and I'm sure that that's going to happen when I use these wonderful methods of blunt cutting, observing the lunar calendar, and using the shampoos and conditioners as well as brushing. So I hope that whoever listens to this gets as enthusiastic about these products as I am.